Welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the domain and range of inverse relations. So first we got to establish what an inverse is, go over some examples, and then talk about domain and range. So the inverse of a relation with the set of points xy is the set of points yx. So basically, let's say I have the point 2, 3. If I want to plot the inverse, we are just going to switch the position of each term. So now we would have 3, 2. Likewise, if I had a -6, -1, if I wanted to get the inverse or plot the inverse, I would plot -1, -6. And that is basically what we're going to do in order to get the inverse of a point. So let's put this together by graphing the inverse of this graph. I will do so by picking 3 points, and then I will use those 3 points to graph the inverse of this relation. So here I'm going to pick this point right here because it's very easy to read. The same with this one and that one. So let me plot those points in green. So that's my first point, my second point, and then my third point. Now I'm going to grab the coordinates of these 3 points. So I went ahead and basically got the information of these 3 points, -4, +1, 0, 2, and then 4, 3. If I want to get the inverse, I'm going to reverse the order. So now I have 1, -4, 2, 0, and 3, 4. And now I'm going to plot these 3 points, and this is going to give me the sketch and what I need in order to graph the inverse. So let's go ahead and plot this 1, -4. So 1, -4 is going to be right here. The next point is 2, 0, which is this one right there. And then the last one is 3, 4, which is this one right there. And with these 3 points plotted, I can now have the sketch of the inverse, which would be that line right there. So let's try one more problem. And again, I'm going to begin by grabbing 3 points on my line here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that one, and this one. And to get the inverse, I need to reverse the order of the 3 points that I grabbed from my original line. So here I'm now going to have 4, -3, 3, 0, and 2, 3. I'm going to go ahead and graph these ones now, beginning with 4, -3, which lies right here. 3, 0 is right there, and 2, 3 will be right up here. Finally, we can create the line connecting these 3 points, and we have the sketch of the inverse.